Fuck! It's after 6. I really wanted to have carbs. Oh, now I can't have any carbs, so I'm gonna get fat. Fuck it though. It's worth it. Oh yeah, come to daddy. Oh good. Ah! Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Myths in Minutes. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most annoying fucking myths ever, which is that you shouldn't eat carbohydrates after 6 p.m. or in the evening because they're going to make you fat. And as I like to say on this program, that is utter shit. So your body doesn't really have any idea what time it is. Time is a human construct that the body pays no attention to. So when it's getting carbohydrates, it doesn't give a fuck when it's getting them, just as long as it's getting them. It's really better to time your carbohydrates usually around when you're going to train. So having them before you train, after you train, sometimes maybe even during a workout. But there's nothing that's going to make you gain fat because you've had them after a certain point in the evening. So the belief is that because you're going to be going to bed soon, your body's not going to utilize those carbohydrates or those calories, so it's just going to store it as fat. Well, the only way that happens is if you are in an excess of calories. That's the only way you gain fat. So it doesn't matter whether you eat carbs or fat or protein after 6. If you've gone over your calorie allowance for the day, sure, you're likely to gain fat, but not because you ate something specific at a specific time. If you're eating at your maintenance or you're in a calorie deficit and you eat carbs at night, it ain't gonna make you fat, dude. We've kind of have it beaten into us in society over the last couple of years that carbs are bad and this is bad and that is bad. Nothing is bad. There's no bad foods, there's no good foods. There's more nutritious and there's less nutritious. And you can have a balance of all of them, but no one food is gonna cause you to gain fat over another type of food. Just depends how many calories it's got in it and if you're over or under your limit. So stop worrying about having carbohydrates at night. You can have a bowl of cereal before you go to bed. It'll make no difference as long as you're sticking within your goals, people. So guys, I'd like you to let me know, what's your favorite carbohydrate that you like to eat in the evening? Mine is Cocoa Pops. I love me a bowl of Cocoa Pops. Let me know down in the comments below. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. I like to see whether you guys are enjoying these videos or not enjoying these videos. If there's any topics you guys want to see and have me discuss as well, stick them down in the comments below too. Otherwise, I'll see you motherfuckers next time.